All right, guys, good morning. Today is the last day of our vacation of our trip to see family and just to really kind of show Morgan where we grew up and, you know, where she's from. And it's been a while since she's been back to explore. And boy, we just had a blast. We had a blast with our family, had a blast with just getting out and about. Thanks for hanging out with us during all of this too. But we do have a little bit more to do. And right now, this morning, we are just now checked out of our hotel. And we are going to head back up to the mountain coaster. Morgan got to go on it with her cousin yesterday. They just went back and did it. Well, Liz and I hung out with family, but they had a blast, and definitely now we're going to go try to do it and hopefully be able to get on no thunder or lightning within 15 miles. So it's a beautiful day.
Beautiful blue sky, little fluffy white clouds.
Let's
go.
Yeah, let's go. Looks like we're going to have really good weather. All blue sky. It's running. There's a long line, but actually doesn't seem like that long of a line. So they are, it's really cool though, they are sanitizing everything, so between use, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Can't wait. You excited, Morgan?
Yeah.
To go on it again?
Yeah.
Again? Liz, you ready for this? Morgan, you ready for this? Oh, look at the brake light on Liz. There she goes. Bye. Look at that view out there, though. Really awesome sight of Helen right there. It's a great view. Look at the mountains in the background. How cool is that?
Wow.
And a big old wasp or a bee. I don't know what that was.
All right. We had a bad connection on this, so we're gonna have to have you get out real quick.
Okay.
Sure. We're gonna get you in another cart.
Not a problem.
Did you come right a cart through, or are you preoccupied?
Sorry about that. We just can't let you go if it doesn't connect properly.
Oh, it's fine, man.
So
Safe. I'd rather be safe and in another cart.
doing 1,500 connections a day, and we hit like 3 or 4 that are bad. Oh, I don't think our brakes work, Reese.
So, just a little glitch for the first time, but we are moving now. Oh yeah, guys, this is gonna be so cool. Ah, here we go. Oh, super smooth. Sure, Liz and Morgan are probably wondering where I'm at right now, but that's okay. You guys ready for this? This is gonna be so cool. It's so relaxing and quiet just coming up through here. And you can see here too, you got different places for your feet. So if you got longer legs or you got somebody riding with you, and if somebody is riding with you, they got a place to hold on to right there. And I believe that the strap is long enough to fit 2 people into that strap. Do not stop on the track. Keep it rocking and rolling. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun, guys. Here we go, guys. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, yeah. So cool. Oh my gosh. So, oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. Wow. This is so fast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it kind of slows you down a little bit on these curves, even if you got your levers all the way down. And it says to slow here. And we just pull back on it. Yeah. All right. All right.
You can go ahead and undo your seatbelt and then exit to your right.
To my right? All right. Woo!
Way back behind us.
Hey guys.
Hey. Where were you?
So look guys, you can actually do your get your picture kind of like at you know, on the rides at Disney. How cool is that? There I am at the bottom left, filming the whole ride for you guys. Wow, so that was a blast. Had so much fun doing that. Definitely come check out Georgia Mountain Coaster there. Highly recommend it. But now we're gonna go see family again before we head out of town. And we'll see you guys in just a bit. Now this is what I was expecting the airport to look like. When we came to Denver, everything was looking, you know, really busy. Or when we left from Denver, everything was really busy. And when we got to Atlanta, everything was really busy. And not a whole lot of social distancing. And masks, however, are mandatory, and they do make sure that you're wearing a mask. But look at this. It's hardly anybody. Wow.
Maybe our flight will be empty. Say that now it's going to be packed.
Right. I don't know. I think, you know, we'll have to see. We got a couple of hours. We're a couple hours early, but there's like nobody. Jeez. Now I got to find something to eat too.
All the food places just closed. Nothing. On this gate, Yeah.
I guess.
I mean,
Or terminal gate. What is it?
Terminal E.
Okay. So there you go. This is really, really weird right now. We're actually on the plane. We're on the
plane train.
We're on the plane train now. So we're heading over to our terminal, and so we just had a second since the train was here, and wanted to at least share with you guys that this time at the airport, everything seems to be a little bit more closed, and also it seems to be a little bit more, everybody's like paying attention to at least trying to social distance a little bit more. So it's been a different experience.
Different experience on this trip. So here we are back in the Denver airport, and as we had mentioned earlier, there's a lot of construction going on. There's Lucifer. So it's really hard to kind of navigate the terminals right now because you can't go where you normally would be able to go, you know. But hey.
All right, guys. So I think it was a pretty successful trip. We are back in Denver.
We are.
And we are going to be heading home. It's a late night. We almost missed our flight.
Yeah, well, the board said it was on Terminal E. That's what our first boarding pass said. And then the second boarding pass said D1. But it didn't update on the boards for a while. So then we ate on D, ran to E, had to run back to D, but we made it. And now here we are at fine airport parking. We've got our roses to take home.
Free roses.
Love how they do that for us.
Have you guys almost ever missed your flight before? Like, let us know in the comments.
Stressful. Oh my gosh, we were like booking
2
it,
minutes.
going, we got it. Yeah,
2 minutes. We made it by 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think we were the last people on the plane.
Yeah.
But thank goodness we had no carry-on bags, so
Sure.
we just stuffed everything underneath the seat in front of us and we went.
Yep. Well, guys,
We made it.
Yep. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and I hope you enjoyed our adventure. I know things were kind of sporadic in the vlog, but the fact is that we did a whole lot of stuff with family who didn't want to be on air and everything, and that's, we want to respect that, but definitely we wanted to spend that time with family. That's what this trip was for.
Absolutely.
But we had a great time,
Yeah, we did.
and I hope
Now it's time to get home and go to bed.
yeah, we definitely got some great footage. And I'm finally back in Denver, so now I can be dry. I've been sweating for like the past 4 days.
We're not missing the humidity.
This has been crazy. So
It has been.
guys, again, thanks for hanging out with us. If you will, give the video a big like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.